For more than decades, the F-15 Eagle has symbolized air dominance and technological excellence. Designed initially in the 1970s to secure air superiority for the U.S. Air Force, the aircraft has proven itself time and again through unmatched performance, reliability, and combat success. Yet, as warfare evolves into the digital age, the demands on fighter aircraft have dramatically increased. The rise of advanced air defense systems, electronic warfare, and fifth-generation stealth fighters has forced legacy platforms to adapt or fade into obsolescence. Enter the Boeing F-15EX Eagle to a next-generation iteration of a proven legend. Combining the battle-tested durability of the original F-15 with the most advanced avionics, sensors, and weapon systems available today, the Eagle II represents a strategic bridge between fourth and fifth-generation fighters. It's a symbol of how modernization can breathe new life into a classic platform, ensuring its relevance in an era defined by digital warfare and global power competition. Advanced design built on proven strength. Foundation of the F-15EX lies in the airframe's time-honored design structure that has recorded over 100 air-to-air victories with 0 losses in combat. Boeing leveraged this unmatched record while integrating cutting-edge upgrades to make the Eagle II a formidable platform for the future. Structurally, the aircraft features an extended service life of up to 20,000 flight hours, nearly double that of earlier F-15 variants. This improvement drastically reduces life cycle cost and enhances operational readiness. The airframe itself benefits from advanced materials and modern manufacturing techniques, ensuring strength and reliability without unnecessary weight penalties. Externally, the F-15EX may look familiar, but internally, it's a complete transformation. Its open mission systems architecture enables easy software updates and future technology integration, something that legacy fighters often struggle to achieve. This modularity allows the Air Force to adapt the aircraft quickly for new missions, weapons, or electronic warfare packages without extensive redesign. Power and performance. A twin-engine Titan F-15EX is powered by two Pratt & Whitney F100PW229 engines, each capable of producing nearly 29,000 pounds of thrust. This power enables the aircraft to reach speeds exceeding Mach 2.5, making it one of the fastest operational fighters in the world. Combined with an exceptional thrust-to-weight ratio, the Eagle II delivers blistering acceleration, superior climb rate, and outstanding maneuverability even while carrying a heavy weapons load. What truly sets the F-15EX apart from many modern fighters is its payload capacity. With 12 air-to-air missiles, or a mix of air-to-air and air-to-ground ordnance mounted externally, it can carry a total weapons load exceeding 29,000 pounds more than any other fighter in the U.S. inventory. This capability allows the Eagle II to perform roles ranging from air superiority and ground attack to standoff missile strikes and maritime defense. Despite its size and power, the F-15EX features advanced flight control systems and fly-by-wire technology that ensure precision handling and pilot safety. In terms of performance and flexibility, few aircraft in the world can rival its balance between brute force and refined control, cockpit and avionics, commanding the digital battle space inside the cockpit. The F-15EX reflects the dramatic shift toward network-centric warfare. The aircraft introduces a large area display LAD, a panoramic touchscreen that provides pilots with a unified view of flight data, targeting information, and mission systems. The intuitive interface reduces pilot workload and enables faster decision-making in combat scenarios. Its advanced mission computer AMC and open mission systems OMS architecture make the F-15EX one of the most flexible fighters ever built. This open system allows seamless integration with emerging technologies, including artificial intelligence-assisted targeting, enhanced electronic warfare suites, and new generation sensors. The Eagle II also comes equipped with the APG-80-V1 active electronically scanned array AESA radar, providing unparalleled detection range, multi-target tracking, and resistance to jamming. When combined with its EPAWS Eagle passive active warning survivability system, the aircraft can detect, jam, and evade enemy radar threats more effectively than any of its predecessors together. These systems enable the F-15EX to operate not just as a lone fighter, but as a networked node within a larger combat ecosystem, sharing data with satellites, ground stations, and other aircraft to dominate the information domain. Weapons and mission flexibility. F-15EX's greatest strength lies in its ability to adapt to diverse mission requirements. Its immense payload allows it to carry the full range of US and Allied precision-guided munitions, including air-to-air missiles like the AIM-1 to OMRAAM and AIM-9X Sidewinder, as well as air-to-ground weapons such as STEMs, JASSM cruise missiles, and the new hypersonic AGM-183A air-launched rapid response weapon ARRW. The aircraft's dual-role capability ensures it can switch seamlessly between air dominance and deep strike missions, depending on operational needs. It can escort bombers, neutralize enemy air defenses, or conduct precision strikes deep into contested airspace, all with single sortie. Moreover, its ability to carry long-range standoff weapons gives it a strategic advantage in future conflicts, where direct penetration into heavily defended regions may be too risky for stealth fighters alone. This versatility makes the F-15EX a critical complement to fifth-generation platforms like the F-35 Lightning II and F-22 Raptor, strategic role in the U.S. Air Force. While the F-22 and F-35 dominate discussions about modern air power, the F-15EX fills a crucial operational gap. It provides a cost-effective yet highly capable option for missions that don't require full stealth capabilities but demand superior speed, payload, and endurance. The U.S. Air Force plans to procure at least 100 for F-15EX units, replacing aging F-15C/D models that have served since the Cold War era. The decision to revitalize the Eagle platform is both strategic and practical, leveraging an existing infrastructure while minimizing pilot retraining and maintenance costs. The Eagle II's rapid integration potential also enhances force readiness. Unlike brand new fighter programs that require years of testing and adaptation, the F-15EX builds upon decades of operational experience. This means the aircraft can be fielded and deployed faster, supporting national defense needs without long delays beyond U.S. borders. Allies such as Qatar, Saudi Arabia, and Israel have expressed strong interest in advanced F-15 variants, seeing them as reliable force multipliers. The Eagle II's performance and adaptability ensure that it will remain a preferred choice for countries seeking superior non-stealth fighter capability. Balancing tradition with innovation. F-15EX embodies a unique balance between legacy and innovation. It demonstrates that modernization doesn't always require reinventing the wheel. Sometimes it means perfecting a proven design with advanced technology. The aircraft's continued evolution reflects Boeing's commitment to extending the life of one of the most successful fighter lines in history while keeping pace with the demands of 21st century warfare. Unlike stealth-focused platforms, the Eagle emphasizes lethality, reliability, and adaptability, traits that remain critical in both contested and permissive environments. In joint operations, its large payload and network systems make it a vital partner to stealth aircraft, drones, and electronic warfare assets.